Hi children, good evening. I hope you have gone through the previous video lessons. Okay, and now we are going to see the video lesson 5, which is just it seems a magic, but it is not a magic. That is totally because of the our vision. So you can do these magics, and I think you might have observed all this one, isn't it? So that is defects of the eye, and what are the illusions and all these things. You can see here these two lines, isn't it? These two lines in these two, if you see, this seems like a longer one when compared to this, but actually these two are same in size. Because of this arrow activities, we added these two lines. These two lines we added here inversely, but for the second one it is outwardly. So that position giving a illusion for us that the second one is larger when compared to the first one. The same thing you can see the first, this grid. Here the black, and then these are the white, but it seems like a gray color because of what? The black blocks are there. Just to see, once you observe that one, and then you try to uh, see the vision another way, and again you go there, you can see the dots in the round places like a gray dots when you see, but there are no gray dots because of what? This gray color or dark color which is present in the blocks. So all these are what? Illusions. What we are having inside the brain also, it causes illusions. I think you know more illusions. Okay, yeah, seeing the pictures and all, those are all the what? Illusions only. And here you can see the you can prepare the thing, what? A bird in the cage. So draw a cage on one paper and a bird in the another paper, and then you just link with that two with a stick or something, and then rotate. Once you rotate, what will happen? You see the bird is in the cage, but two are separate. But once we are moving, these two will get mixed and will show the bird is in the cage. And the same way here you can see these are the two type of the rings we are having. This shows big and this one shows the what? Small. But if you see, the rings are similar size, but the placement is different, isn't it? The placement is different. That's why it seems a very big circle that petals with the flower in the flower, and whereas if you see here, these petals are small. Just we are replacing that one. That's it. The same thing, you see this picture also, figure. Can you observe properly what you can understand here? These lines are straight only, but if you see here, we think of the lines are not in straight position. Why? Because the arrangement, the arrangement is the giving color. We have given the color, isn't it? This color is not in the same position. So here the position is here, and in the second one the position is different, here also different. So because of these positions of the giving color is different, so it seems like what? These are not straight lines. But if you see properly, these are the straight lines only. So what? These are all called as a illusions. Okay. And when your mind deceives you by interpreting a stimulus pattern incorrectly, then we will get the illusions. If any idea is there, If that idea is causing so many thinkings, if your brain is not giving proper interpretation for that, then you will get so many illusions for that. And sometimes these illusions will stay for a long time and make the person crazy also. Okay, so think of and try to understand all these things, and that is what we call as a just a magic in between the eyes and the brain. Only eyes and brain will make this type of magic. What is the difference between sensation and perception? Sensation is what? Gathering information from the environment via your senses. Means that 5 sensory organs. Okay, whatever the any information is there, anything which is going on in the environment, that is called what? Sensation. Getting heat, getting cool, and all these things. Perception is what? Understanding what is being sensed. So what we have sensed from the environment, if you understand properly, that's okay. If you won't understand properly, that will make as what? Illusion. Understood? So that's the difference of sensation and perception. And already I explained this one, the black and white grid. Okay, so you go through that one properly, then you can understand why this illusion is happened. Diseases and defects of the eye. You know, eye is very important for our life. If you won't take care about that, what? The eyes, then we will get so many defects and we may lose the sight also. That's why when we get any problem in the eye, immediately you have to consult with the doctor. Okay, and mostly you have to take a proper rest. And when you are using the books, reading books, or even these computers, or even your cell phones, you have to maintain the timing, you have to maintain the distance, and you have to utilize it in proper way. These are the things which helpful to get your eyesight in proper way. And when you feel any tiredness, better you have to always clean your eyes with cold water. It will give a relaxation for the eyes. Okay. And what are the defects and the diseases of the eye? The main diseases and defects of the eye is, you know, that night blindness. Okay. And xerophthalmia, myopia, that means nearsightedness, hypermetropia, that is farsightedness, glaucoma, cataract, and color blindness. So these are all the normal diseases which we are facing nowadays. Including this, there are so many other things also there, but these are the things which we have to clarify. Some persons may have eye defects by birth due to various reasons, by birth itself. And those who are having in their life, these are the defects. And for that defects, immediately you have to consult with the doctor. And then you will get immediate remedy. If not, you may lose the eyesight. Can you see xerophthalmia? This is the redness of the eyes. Okay. And myopia, hypermetropia, where the image will form. You know, already we have discussed about the structure of eye and all. So the image will form just on retina. But sometimes in front of retina or back of the retina, the image form is that will show the what? Myopia and hypermetropia. You can see here, in front of retina, that is myopia. Back of retina, that is what? Hypermetropia. So these are the two, far sight and near sight, we are saying. Taking care of eyes. Are you going through this? Work under good lighting. You have to work under good lighting. But mostly people, children will think of, they will put under in the low light, they will put some other book and they will read. Because if they are reading some other book means they don't want to show to the parents. So hiding, that is not good. Don't rub your eyes if anything falls in them. So if some dust particles are falling inside, immediately you have to wash. Should not rub it. And remove dust in eye by using tongue, ring, or blowing air, etc. So if something is dust particles, then you have to blow it. Okay. Or for small kids, we will use the tongue to remove that one. Okay. And consult the eye specialist immediately whenever you face any vision related problems. That is good habit. Avoid to see lightning, gas, welding sparks, eclipse. So you have the instructions, isn't it? During the time of eclipse, you should not see with our naked eye. We have to use some glasses. Why? Because some rays are coming during the time of eclipse and it will harm to your retina. Another one is welding. In the welding shops, when you are going, they will use, even they also will keep some glass, isn't it? Shield. Why? Because that lightning will damage to your eye. So you should not focus on that particular welding shops lights. Okay. And the other the problems what we have seen, healthy eyes is like this. Glaucoma, this is the eye part. Cataract, this one. Cataract, we can clarify it by using surgery or something. Glaucoma is a defect. Mostly we can't eradicate that one. That means we can't get back. What is the cause of this glaucoma and cataract? Mostly cataract the persons will get because of aging and also because of diabetes, and sometimes if we get any hurt in the eye, then we will get this cataract and we can rectify it by means of the surgery. And glaucoma, which is optic nerve is damage, are sometimes related to aging, this also. And symptoms are hard to detect. We can't detect very easily this glaucoma when compared to cataract. So you have to take care about this one, because precaution is better than cure, isn't it? That is the main thing. And this is the illusions which we have discussed. Okay. So go through the lessons properly and then get the lesson, understand it. I'm not giving any evaluation questions in this because it is for just understanding. Okay. So try it to understand. Bye. Take care.